Now we're almost done with the basic materials. Let's create a basic metal material to apply in a few of our objects. So material editor again, and again create an EYECONE design. And actually to create a metal is quite simple. Let's rename this, change the color, and then it's just a matter of checking the metal material box and editing the reflectivity. I like 06, so I tend to leave it as 06 for metals, but you can switch this down a little bit if it bothers you. And let's just select a few objects and apply so we can test render. So I've got this selected, and I'm just going to apply this, and we're going to do a quick test render. Okay, so this is the appearance of our white metal material, and now we need to create a black metal material. So it's just shift, click and drag. Let's rename this and change the color. So just apply this to the objects. And also we need a shiny black material, which we didn't create earlier. So let's just go ahead and do that now. So let's just duplicate this shiny white, rename this, and change the color. Something like that. And then we can apply it to the scene. Okay, so we have a shiny white here. Let's just change this inner amount. Okay, there you go. And let's just apply this shiny white inside. Apply a chrome here, just fixing the materials that we forgot to apply earlier. So you can do this between lessons. Just go through your scene and see all the materials that you forgot to apply. And in the next lesson, we are going to build our last basic material, which is the leather for this piece here. So I'll see you guys then.